Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class of mathematics. So, in our earlier class, we have already completed questions till exercise 11.3. In today's class, we'll be starting a new chapter, which is exercise 11.4. So, let's get started. So, this first question discusses about multiplication of money. So, it's not a very difficult thing. जैसे हम normally multiply करते हैं, बिल्कुल वैसे ही करेंगे. जो पैसे वाले जो 2 digits रहेंगे, वो हमेशा पैसे वाले होंगे. Okay? So, let's start. 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6, point, 3 six are 18, 8 carry 1, 3 ones are 3 and 1, 4. So 48 rupees 69 paise. Now here, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 eights are 32, 2 carry 3, 4 six are 24 and 3 27. So 272 rupees. कुछ भी पैसा नहीं है, so 272 rupees. 4 fives are 20, 0 carry 2, 4 zeros are 0 plus 2, 4 eights are 32, 2 carry 3, 4 zeros are 0 plus 3 and 4 ones are 4. Next. 2 fives are 10, 0 carry 1, 2 threes are 6 and 1 7, 2 eights are 16, 6 carry 1, 2 threes are 6 and 1 7, 2 ones are 2. So 276 rupees 70 paise. 4 fives are 20, 0 carry 2, 4 ones are 4, 6, 4 nines are 36, 6 carry 3, 4 threes are 12 and 3 15 carry 1, 4 ones are 4 and 1 5. So 556 rupees 60 paise. Now 5 6 are 30, 0 carry 3, 5 eights are 40 and 3 43 carry 4, 5 fours are 20 and 4 24, 4 carry 2, 5 threes are 15 and 2 70. So 174 rupees 30 paise. So we have completed question number 1 based on multiplication. Now let us solve question number 2. Next we have question number 2 based on division. So यहाँ भी हमें कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं करना है, जैसे हम normally numbers को divide करते हैं वैसे ही हम divide करेंगे. Okay? So now 4 ones are 4, 5 will come down. Now 4 की टेबल में 5 तो आता नहीं है. We will write 4 ones are 4. 3 will come. 4 threes are 12 and 4 threes are 12. So done. So what we can write? We can write ये जो दो डिजिट्स है उसके पहले डेसिमल लगेगा ताकि 11 रुपीज 33 पैसे हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा. Now B1, 5 ones are 5, 5 will come down, 5 threes are 15, 0, this 3 will come, 5 zeros are 0 क्योंकि 5 ones are 5 इससे बड़ा हो जाएगा, 5 will come down, so 5 sevens are 35. So point. So 13 rupees 7 paise will be the answer. Now this C1, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 fours are 28, 7 threes are 21. So the answer is 12 rupees 43 paise. Now this one, 9 ones are 9, 6 will come down, 9 fours are 36, zeros are 0, and then again one more 0. So zeros are 0. So the answer is 14 rupees. Okay. Now this E1. So 7 की टेबल में 2 नहीं आएगा और 0 हम सबसे पहले लिखेंगे नहीं. So 7 twos are 14. 7 nines are 63. 7 threes are 21. And 7 fives are 35. So the answer is 29 rupees and 35 paise. Now here 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45, 5 sevens are 35. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. यहाँ आ जाएगा डेसिमल पॉइंट. So the answer is 197 rupees. So with this we have completed question number 2. Now let's look at the word problems. So question number 3 says that the cost of one bag of sugar is rupees 278.75, that is 278.75 paise. Find the cost of 5 such bags of sugar. Cost of one sugar bag is this much, and so the cost of 5 sugar bags will be multiplied by 5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2, 5 7s are 35 and 2 37, 7 carry 3, 8 5s are 40 and 3 43, carry 4, 5 7s are 35 and 4 39, 5 2s are 10 and 3 13. So the answer is 1393.75. So what we are going to write finally is the cost of 5 sugar bags is rupees 1393 and 75 paise. So now let's look at question number 4. Now question number 4 says that Prerna wants to buy 7 umbrellas for her friends. Find the total amount she needs to pay if each umbrella costs rupees 1145 and 25 paise. So cost of one umbrella is this one. So cost of 7 umbrellas, we have to multiply this figure by 7. So 7 5s are 35, 5 carry 3, 7 2s are 14 and 3, 17 carry 1. 7 5s are 35 and 1, 36 carry 3, 7 4s are 28, 31, 1 carry 3, 7 1s are 7 and 3 10. So the answer is 1016. Okay. 7 umbrellas will cost rupees 1016 and 75 paise. Now let's solve question number 5 and 6. Question number 5 says that a bouquet of flowers cost rupees 146 and 25 paise. Find the cost of 9 such bouquets. And question number 6 says that 6 chocolate cupcakes cost rupees 159 and 90 paise. Find the cost of one such cupcake. So cost of one bouquet is given. For finding the cost of 9 bouquets, we need to multiply this amount by 9. So 9 5s are 45, 5 carry 4, 9 2s are 18 and 4 22, carry 2, 9 6 are 54 and 2 56, 9 4s are 36 and 5 41, 9 1s are 9 and 4 13. So 1316 and 25 paise. 9 bouquets costs rupees. Okay. Now let us discuss this one. Cost of 6 chocolate cupcakes is given. We need to find out the cost of one chocolate cupcake. So already हमें पता है कि जब बहुत सारे की वैल्यू दी हुई है 1 की निकालनी हो, we have to divide. So we will divide here. So 6 2s are 12. क्योंकि 6 3s are 18 तो possible नहीं है. 0 will come down. 6 5s are 30. 6 1s are 6. 6 5s are 13. Okay, so we have divided it completely and decimal point will be put here. So the amount is rupees 25 and 15 paise. So what we will write as final answer? We will write down that one cupcake costs rupees 25 and 15 paise. So children, with this we have completed exercise 11.4. Now let's discuss exercise 11.5, where we will learn about bills that we get from the grocery stores.
Kids, today let us learn about bills and see how to prepare them. What is a bill? A bill is a written statement that we get from the service providers that tells us the amount we paid for various services or purchases we made. We receive bills for shopping from a store, for services such as electricity supply, telephone facility, gas supply, for repair and maintenance of house gadgets, for refueling vehicles with petrol or diesel. We must check the bills before making payments. Now, let us study a bill and notice the information it provides. Each bill has name, address, telephone number, and a bill number of the service provider shop. Name and address of the customer, date on which the items are sold, serial numbers of the items, name and quantity of items sold, price per unit of the items sold, total cost of each item according to the quantity, that is, cost of each item into its quantity, total cost of all the items purchased, signature of the designated authority from the shop. Now, let us learn how to prepare a bill from the given information. Let us systematically prepare the bill. Step 1. Write the service provider's name, address, telephone number, and a bill number. Step 2. Name and address of the customer. Step 3. Write the date on which the items are sold. Step 4. Now, write the serial numbers of the purchased items. Step 5. Write the name and quantity of items purchased. Step 6. Now, write the price per unit of the items purchased. Step 7. Now multiply cost of each item with its quantity to get the total cost of each item. Step 8. Now add amount of all the items purchased to get the grand total. Lastly, step 9. Signature of the designated authority from the shop. And look, the bill is ready. Kids, wasn't it easy learning about bills? Why don't you all prepare a few bills and practice?
So children, this is the exercise 11.5, where we need to complete the bills and find the final amount. So what already we have seen in the video कि items यहाँ है, date per item लिखा है, quantity लिखा है, तो हमें क्या करना होता है? That we just need to multiply this rate per item with the quantity and write the value here. So what we will get on multiplying 85 by 3? 255, right? So 255. Next, 72 multiplied by 2. We will get 144. 54 multiplied by 3. We will get 162. 67 multiplied by 2. 134. And lastly, we have 48 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 48. And then finally what we have to do, we had to all these, add all these up. So 255 plus 144 plus 162 plus 134 plus 48 is equal to 743. So 743 is the final answer. Easy, isn't it? Now let's solve the B portion. So now in question number B, we have again rate of pencil box per item given, a quantity given. So 15 multiplied by 4 is equal to 60. 12 multiplied by 5 is also equals to 60. 5 multiplied by 6 we will get 30. And 3 multiplied by 8 we will get 24. So finally what we are going to do, we are going to add all these up. So 60 and 60, 120 plus 54 is equal to 174. So the total cost or the total amount is 174 rupees 0.00 paise. Okay. Now next one, dictionary book. So 128 multiplied by 3 is equal to rupees 384. Art book, 34 multiplied by 2 is equal to 68. Activity book, 43 multiplied by 2 is equal to 86. Thesaurus, ये भी एक तरीके की डिक्शनरी ही होती है. So 78 multiplied by 3 is equal to 234. And 55 multiplied by 2 is equal to 110. And last one is 42 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 126. So now what is the total amount? We have to add all these amounts जैसा कि अभी तक हमने किया है. So 384 plus 68 plus 86 plus 234 plus 110 plus 126 is equal to 1008. So we will write here 1008.00. Okay, because there is no paisa. Fine, children. So children, with this we have ended even exercise 11.5. So now your work is to complete this revision station on your own, and I am ending the video here only. So that's it from today's class. Thank you and bye bye.